figure maybe after
Yeah.
like 5 times, maybe he'll say, okay, that's enough.
No, no. He stops swimming when the ice is too thick to break through. It's 3.5. Hey Jasper, bring that ball.
Let the owner give him the command.
Bring the ball. Jasper, bring the ball.
Don't distract the dog. He has to listen to his master.
Hey Jasper, come on, bring that ball. Yeah. Hey, bring the ball. This is one of the little games he plays with the ball. Puts it on the rock, lets it roll. Get that ball, Jasper.